This video is sponsored by Van Digital, a social media, virtual assistance, and web design agency.
Welcome back to my channel. It's another day to glow, another day to shine, and another video. Okay. And this video is, of course, it's about God. That's why you're here. That's why I'm here. So, part one. God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He still is a God of restoration. Now let's talk about that. So, in the Bible, God tells us in Joel chapter 2, verse 25, that He will restore to us all the years that the swarming locusts have eaten. So all of your hard work is not in vain. In Psalm 51, verse 12, He will restore the joy of your salvation, uphold you with a willing spirit. In Ezekiel 36, verse 26, He will give us a new heart and put a new spirit in you. He says, I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. In the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah speaks about the restoration of Ibrahim, or Abraham's legacy. Surah Al-Baqarah is used for spiritual healing and protection, especially in verse 28, where it states, how can you deny Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? You were lifeless and He gave you life. Then He will cause you to die and again bring you to life, and then to Him you will all be returned. Lastly, faith is not instant. It is a journey. It is a process. In the Bible it says if you have faith like a mustard seed, you can move mountains. And I can attest to that wholeheartedly. And my parents can as well. And that's a story for another day. But have faith and pray that your prayers and du'as will be answered. Because our God, Jesus Christ, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He doesn't slumber nor does He sleep. He is still the God of restoration. That also brings me to another story time in another video, where God has done exceedingly and abundantly well. Many, many times. So don't lose hope. Keep the faith. And seek out fellowship. If you're a Christian and you don't want to go to church, you can find a ministry or group of people to learn the Bible and learn the promises that God has for you. And when you truly believe and you use them as prayer points, you will see results. Of course, faith as well. And same thing to my Islamic brothers and sisters. Maybe you aren't comfortable going to the mosque. There are many mentors and imams who will be able to guide you through the Quran and give you a deeper understanding on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's promises for you on this dunya and the hereafter. And I will link 2 ladies who have really helped me with my understanding of the Quran. So, be blessed, be yourself, be in God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and be firmly rooted in the truth. Thanks for visiting me and my video, and hope to see you again.